All right, so a little bit of guitar theory for beginners. Let's go over the notes that we're playing so we kind of know what we're doing as we're getting going in this adventure of learning how to play guitar. So, got the low 6th string is the low E string, A is the 5th string, D for the 4th, G for the 3rd, B for the 2nd, and the 1st is a high E string. So, from open to the 12th fret, it's going to go E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. Okay. So there's no such thing as a B sharp, and there's no such thing as an E sharp. So if you go to the 13th fret, you're going to be at F, which is the same thing as the 1st fret down there. Okay. So moving down to the A string, it's going to go A is open, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A. So open E, it's also an E on the 12th fret. Open A, it's also an A on the 12th fret of the A string. So moving down to the D string, we have D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D. D open, D on the 12th fret. Moving down to the G string. G open, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G. Open, 12th fret. B, okay, we have B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. Open is B, 12th fret is B. And you already know the low E string, so that corresponds directly to the high E string as well. E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E. High E open, high E on the 12th fret. So that concludes our lesson for today. It's a good idea for you to go through there and practice this on a daily basis so that you know exactly what notes you're playing as you're going through. Now, it's going to take some time, but it's really going to help you in the long run. So thanks for coming back to the channel. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit the notification button if you want to get notified every time I put a new video up. It happens multiple times on a weekly basis. And we're going to start going over some more guitar theory for beginners to help us all learn how to play the guitar a little bit better. Thanks again.